Coach PJ here. Do you ever feel like you're running around in circles or like you're doing laps around the track? If you look at your business like a Nascar race, it makes a lot more sense. Pit stops are carefully planned and set up for routine maintenance. They've planned the work and are carefully working the plan, no surprises. This is important in your business. Do you have a plan, and are you working that plan? Sometimes, unfortunately, things don't go as planned, and you might suffer some damage, like in NASCAR. Your pit crew needs to be prepared for this as well. Who do you have on your pit crew? Do you have a trusted accountant, legal counsel, banking relationships, community resources, or even a coach? Establishing a well-rounded pit crew that helps you plan for the routine maintenance and helps you with the unexpected is critical to every business. This will allow you to make adjustments on the fly, to have the right tools in your toolbox, so that you can make the repairs, pivot your business, and get back in the race. There's also the pace car. The pace car leads the field during warm-ups. It also leads the field in times of caution, slowing the cars down, taking them around the course, and keeping them at a safe pace. As a business, who is your pace car? Who do you rely on to help you keep safe during uncertain times? For some people, this could be an industry organization that keeps you informed of marketplace trends. For others, it might be other business owners or a coach that helps you with your mindset when you lose a major client, a team member resigns, or when you have unexpected expenses. One of the keys to being a NASCAR driver is focus, unwavering mental awareness. Looking for opportunities on the track, looking for openings in the field. Like NASCAR drivers, as a business owner, you are constantly looking for ways to get more clients to increase your service levels. Whether you're a NASCAR driver or a business owner, you can't take your eyes off the road. If this is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call, we can get together for a coffee meeting, or if you know that this is absolutely what you want, and you want to get started right away, I offer a complimentary coaching session where we'll dig deep into your business, identify the opportunities, and put a plan in place to go forward. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, comment below, helping you get the business you deserve. Your business profit. Until next time.